Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Youngmom who survived 2 heart attacks now warns others. National Wear Red Day is this Friday, an event to raise awareness for cardiovascular disease, the #1 killer of women. Liz Johnson, a 2-time heart attack survivor, ignored early warning signs and thought she was healthy. She had a spontaneous coronary artery dissection, SCAD, a tear in her arteries that caused a blockage. Over the past 7 years, Liz has had medical interventions like stents, a balloon pump, pacemaker, and defibrillator to keep her heart functioning. Liz urges women to pay attention to their cardiovascular health, get regular checkups, and not ignore warning signs. Even healthy people can have heart attacks. The American Heart Association encourages women to know their numbers, monitor blood pressure, and learn CPR, as bystander CPR can greatly improve survival chances. If experiencing potential heart attack symptoms, it's important to seek emergency medical care immediately. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.